starting to doubt we will find our way back to each other when you're on the other side of the world. I'm here and I'm waiting, but I know I can't say that we didn't end it for good reasons. Still I'm hoping we'll be meeting soon. Everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you close and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out.
Hello friends, and welcome back to Cleaning Therapy. If you're new here, my name is Jenny, and I am so glad that you're joining me today for a little bit of relaxing cleaning motivation. And I'll be working here in the kitchen today, as well as the dining room and the living room. As you can see, it's a bit of a mess. The stovetop needs a little bit of attention, and my counters are just really cluttered. So I'm gonna get started in here by just getting everything put away so that I can clean up the counters.
I put your picture on my windowsill to make myself feel alright. But I knew it would not be easy, spending time apart, and I almost can't believe it. Believe that you're gone, and I don't think this will get better until you come around. I guess that everybody needs some time to figure themselves out, but I want you.
If you're new to my channel today, I just want to say welcome. Again, my name is Jenny, and I love to do cleaning motivation videos here on YouTube. And I love to try to make my videos relaxing and motivating for you guys so that you can use them either to relax from cleaning or to gear up for your next cleaning session. So I really hope that you enjoy today's video, and if you do, I would love it if you would subscribe and join my YouTube family. I would love to get to know you in the comments as well, so make sure you say hi. And if you're a returning viewer or subscriber, I just want to tell you that I love you and I'm so thankful for you, and I appreciate you being here as well, and would love to hear how you're doing too, so let me know in the comments.
But I want you close, and I still have hope. I'm waiting every day for you to come back and tell me we can work it out. Forget about the past. Now time moves slow. I'm not high.
You guys know I love my Method Daily Granite Cleaner in the Apple Orchard scent. That's probably one of my favorite ways to clean my granite. It works really well and it smells so nice too. This was another nap time clean with me. Baby Alex was asleep for a couple of hours. So whenever you guys see that I have about a 20-minute video, that's usually because it's just like a 2-hour cleaning session that was sped up. So, and I know I still call him the baby. He's my baby. He's 2.5, so he's really not a baby anymore. But I have 2 teenagers and little Alex, and so he is my baby for sure. And normally when he naps, I do try to take a little time for myself, but I was playing catch up a little bit with my cleaning because we had plans over the weekend and I didn't get as much done as I usually do. So here I am just trying to get as much done as I can before he wakes up.
Send a little love and I'll make it back. Send me a letter and a bottle of wine, telling me I will be fine. Baby, I'm stuck with a halfway heart. Slip away if I come too far. Pick me up when I'm in pieces. Oh, that halfway heart of mine is a rolling stone. Make me roll right home.
This microwave was really funky inside, so I'm going to go ahead and take this plate into the sink and give it a good scrubbing. I like to microwave 2 cups of vinegar inside just to loosen everything up so that it's really easy to wipe down. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and get this all cleaned up.
If I lose my course, count on my company and I will come. Save me when I am falling. Save me when I am falling. Save my love when I fall. Baby,
I wanted to say thank you for all of your really sweet comments on my laundry video, the deep clean laundry room video, and I'll link that at the end in case any of you missed it. But you guys were saying that you were enjoying the videos and that they were helping you to fall asleep at night and to relax. And many of you were saying that it was helping you with your anxiety. And I can't tell you how much that means to me. Y'all, I was crying reading those comments. I know what it's like to have anxiety and depression, and I've been battling it for like 20 years now. So if anyone tells me that they had a little bit of a break or it took the edge off of their anxiety and depression, even for 20, 30 minutes, then I feel like I would make those videos a million times over. That's like the highest compliment anyone could ever give me on my channel, is to say that it helped them relax or feel a little bit of a break from their anxiety or depression. So thank you so much for encouraging me, and I just hope I can return the favor and encourage you guys as well.
That was what I needed. The more I felt drowning in doubt, needed to see a way out somehow. Give me a reason, give me a change, give me something to love, at least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom, give me faith to ease my heavy heart, just some energy to feed up and then get rid of. I wanna love, still yearn for heartbreaks, like the feeling in misery. I created my own reality, and as the days pass, the story began. Pushed and pulled until they ran. Give me a reason, give me a change, give me something to love, at least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom, give me faith to ease my heavy heart, just some energy to feed up and then get rid of. Give me a reason, give me a change, give me something to love, at least something I can make sense of. Give me freedom, give me faith.
So I have a confession to make. I'm kind of obsessed with fall. There's something about the beginning of fall that gives me such an energy, and I've never understood where that comes from, but each year when the weather starts to get a little bit cooler, drier, it's less humid outside, and there's that crisp quality to the air and the leaves start to fall, I just get this boost, and it's kind of like a mood boost, energy boost. And it's also like a creative energy, because I will want to do all the things, make all the things, decorate all the things. And you're going to see a whole lot more content from me in the fall, because that is when I have the creative energy to do it. Summer is definitely my lowest creative energy feeling. So I really just want to sit in the air conditioning and watch YouTube videos. But I'm pushing through and trying to keep my house as clean as I can. But honestly, guys, I'm just so ready for fall. So let me know in the comments if you're ready for all the pumpkin spice lattes and all of the fall leaves crunching under your feet and the sweater weather and everything that goes along with it. I am so excited. Let me know in the comments if you're excited for fall too.
Will you guide me on the path that I must follow? Can you take my fears away? Take my fears away. Starry night, angel glow, aching heart, hollow soul, trembling peace, waking dream. There's so much more to be seen. Will you carry me through the burden of tomorrow? Can you wash away the tears of yesterday? Will you guide me on the path that I must follow? Can you take my fears away? Take my fears I wanna wake up and live again. I don't wanna look over my shoulder. I'll never run away again. Oh, love, we'll never forget. This time I'm gonna do better. Somehow I'll find another You will carry me through the burden of tomorrow, and you'll wash away the tears of yesterday.
And I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray in the basil scent to clean my dining room table right here. And I'm actually going to be ordering my Fall Grove box very soon, and hopefully it'll have some goodies in there that I can share with you guys on the channel. And I'll probably just throw it in one of my cleaning videos and show you guys the fall products that I ordered. So I'm just going to get this dining room all cleaned up, and then I know the floors need to be swept in here. They're really filthy, and so I'm really glad to be getting that done as well.
You can't turn the tide. Let the water go where it wants to go. You can run and hide. You can bury yourself beneath the stones. Somebody told me don't pretend, 'cause everyone could use a friend sometimes. Take some good advice. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody is waiting down the line. You pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. I can feel the sun and how the wind makes way across the fields. Let me take a breath. Let me be a part of something real. Someone said it's better when you hold on to a helping hand. a friend. I'll use a friend. Don't let your fear decide. That's how you break inside. You don't need to worry. Somebody's waiting.
Here in the family room, I'm going to go ahead and start by just polishing the coffee table with the Method Wood for Good. And the area rug is actually filthy. It really needs to be deep cleaned. But I was looking on my cleaning checklist for our deep cleaning challenge, and next month I will be deep cleaning this entire room. So, and next month I mean August, so really like in a day. So I'm really not concerned about it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just vacuum it and let it be, because within a couple of weeks it's going to be completely deep cleaned, this entire room. So that is what I'm going to do about that. So I'm going to get this room tidied up and cleaned off.
Don't worry. Somebody's waiting down the line to pick up the pieces. Hey, you'll be alright. You'll be alright. There will be someone waiting down the line. I have a thing for darkness, but you can see with your mind. Even when I have my doubts, you say your love isn't blind. So I can give you shelter, but am I a part of your goals? Maybe none of it matters, 'cause I don't want to let go. I never meant to break a promise.
Friends, thank you so much for spending time with me today. I really hope you got some good cleaning motivation. I hope that it was enjoyable for you and you're all ready to tackle your to-do list. So before you leave today, I'd love it if you'd make sure that you're subscribed and you have your bell on to all notifications. That way you don't miss any cleaning motivation. I've got some really good organizing videos for you guys coming up here shortly, as well as some more deep cleaning on my channel. So I'm very excited about heading into fall and all of the fun content that comes along with that. You guys have a wonderful rest of your week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.
We'll never have all the answers, but we won't need them today. I never meant to break a promise. I never meant to run